Welcome to CVC Gardens, where we turn beginners into confident growers. You want healthier plants, bigger harvests, and less frustration? Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into mistake number 1. This is the #1 plant killer, not underwatering, overwatering. When your soil stays too wet, roots can't breathe. That leads to root rot, a silent killer that slowly destroys your plant from below. Yellowing leaves, droopy plants, even though soil is wet, mushy, or smelly soil. Stick your finger 1 to 2 inches into the soil before watering. If it's still moist, don't water. Make sure your pots or beds have proper drainage. Pro tip: most plants prefer slightly dry over constantly wet. Your plant is only as healthy as the soil it's growing in. Dead, compacted soil equals weak roots, slow growth, and nutrient deficiency. A lot of people plant in cheap dirt and expect big results. It doesn't work like that. Mix in compost or worm castings immediately. Add perlite for airflow and drainage. Use organic matter to bring soil back to life. Think of soil like your plant's diet. Feed it right, and everything improves. Too much sun burns plants. Too little sun starves them. Every plant has different light needs, and ignoring that will slow or kill growth. Leggy, stretched plants equals not enough light. Burnt, crispy leaves equals too much direct sun. Quick fix: research your plant. Full sun equals 6 to 8 hours daily. Move containers as needed. Use shade cloth. If sunlight is too intense, light is energy. It's no energy, no growth. It's tempting to plant everything close together, but that creates competition. Plants fight for water, nutrients, sunlight. And when airflow is limited, disease spreads fast. Quick fix: thin out plants immediately. Follow spacing guidelines on seed packets. Don't be afraid to remove weaker plants. Less plants often means more harvest. Your garden talks to you. Most people just aren't listening. Small problems turn into big ones when ignored. Pests, nutrient issues, disease, they all start small. Quick fix: check your plants daily. Even 2 minutes helps. Look under leaves for pests. Catch problems early and act fast. The best gardeners aren't lucky, they're observant. If you fix these 5 mistakes, your garden will improve almost immediately. Healthier plants, faster growth, bigger harvests. Drop a comment and tell me which mistake you've been making. I'll read them all. And if you want more simple, real gardening tips that actually work, subscribe to CVC Gardens. Let's grow better together.